Getting ready for your next cruise? Here are 30 totally random but ridiculously helpful tips that I wish somebody would have shared with me before my first cruise. From avoiding anchor morning wake-up calls to skipping the boarding day buffet chaos, here are the tips that you didn't know you needed, but you'll be thankful you got them. So let's go. Cabin location is key. When picking your cabin, avoid the low decks up front if you like to sleep in, as you will hear and feel the vibration when they drop the anchor at each port. Likewise, if you like to go to bed early, you'll want to make sure your cabin is not over or under the thumping and lively nightclub. Compare cruise insurance. Before automatically adding the cruise line insurance, shop around with sites like insuremytrip.com. You can usually find some better and cheaper options. Tip 3, pre-book everything, especially dining, shore excursions, spa, entertainment if they offer it. If you wait until you're on board, you might be out of luck as they are fully booked. Next is know your theme nights. To help with packing, find out if your ship will have a disco or 80s night or the popular white party so you know how to pack. Tip 5, know the prohibited items on your cruise line. Each cruise line has a slightly different prohibited item list, so be sure to check out the cruise line's websites for a full list. Tip 6, leave the beach towels at home. The ship will provide you with pool towels and beach towels to take ashore, so there is no need to bring any. Next is bring reef-safe sunscreen and aloe. Many ports now only allow reef-safe sunscreen, such as Hawaii, Mexico, Cayman Islands. So make sure you're bringing the right kind, as you will need it. And don't forget to bring some cooling aloe for afterwards. Always pack a refillable water bottle. Ships charge ridiculous amounts for bottled water, from $3 to $5 per bottle. So spare the environment and bring your own. Tip 9, leave those high heels at home. 4-inch heels and rocking seas do not mix. Tip 10, pack a portable fan. I love this mini fan that I can sit on my nightstand or easily fit in my book bag for when I'm ashore exploring the island. Next is pack a tote bag for the last night. Cruise lines will have you place your luggage outside your room on the last night of the cruise. You will need a small tote bag to hold your remaining clothes and items. I love this celebrity tote that folds neatly and then expands to a big tote. Tip 12, bring dollar bills. Cash is king, so you want to give your bar server or room service delivery person a tip. Don't write it on the receipt, but give them cash instead. Tip 13, travel notice for your credit cards. Don't forget to notify your bank or credit card company that you will be traveling out of the country, or you might find that your card gets declined. Next is luggage tag holders. Don't staple those paper cruise luggage tags to your bag handles, but use these instead. It takes away the fear of lost bags. Tip 15, leave the bling at home. It's best to leave your valuable jewelry at home when traveling, especially when you go ashore, as you do not want to make yourself a target for theft. Next is weigh your bag at home. Before you head to the airport, be sure to weigh your bag to ensure that it's under the 50-pound limit or face an expensive penalty at the airport. This one's important. Never pack your passports or medicines in your luggage. Always carry these with you on the airplane and when dropping your bags off at the cruise terminal. Tip 18, always fly in the night before. There are just too many variables that can delay your travel to the cruise port. Avoid the stress and just fly in the day before. Next is screenshot your boarding pass, just as a backup in case there's an internet glitch. Tip 20, never bring fruit on or off the ship. They'll have trained dogs that will sniff this out, and you could be fined if you're caught bringing anything on or off the ship. All right, so you made it to cruise day and you're all ready to board the ship. So now what? This next set of tips are all about what to do once you're on board the ship. And trust me, this can be the difference between smooth sailing and a rocky start. So let's go. Tip 21, go to your muster station first. As soon as you step on board, just immediately go to your assigned muster station. They'll have crew members there to help point the way, and get your safety drill complete so you're free to start your vacation. Next is avoid the buffet on boarding day. Trust me, 90% of passengers are going to end up at the buffet on the Lido deck. It'll be a chaotic madhouse. Avoid all the stress and seek out those other open food venues on boarding day. 23. Explore the ship before sail away. You'll have about 4 hours or more before the ship sails after boarding. Use this time to explore the ship. Refer to the deck plans on your app and just go deck by deck to learn the ship. If you have assigned early or late dining, swing by the main dining room before sail away to check on your assigned table. This way you can find out if you're at a group table or a private table and get it adjusted if needed. Tip 25, don't be afraid to ask your cabin steward. There are many items that they can provide you with, like daily ice buckets, cozy throw blankets, extension cords, even mattress toppers if your bed's too hard. You just have to ask. Tip 26, store luggage under the bed. Cabins are very small, so save your closet space and slide those bags under the bed. Next is check the dress code before going to dinner. Each cruise line has a different dress code for different venues. Some are casual, some are very strict. You don't want to be turned away. Or you could go on a cruise line like Virgin, where there is no dress code. 28. Want an empty pool? Stay on board during a port day. Avoid the crowded pools by staying on the ship while at port, especially if you've been to that destination before. 29. Green apples are nature's cure. A lot of people don't realize this, but green apples are a natural aid for helping with seasickness. If you start seeing a ton of green apples out at the buffet and barf bags by the stairways, you know rough seas are ahead. Tip number 30, pick the last departure time. If you have a later flight or are in no hurry to disembark at the end of the cruise, do yourself a favor and pick one of the last departure times. This way you will avoid the long lines that always happen on departure morning. There you go, 30 little nuggets of wisdom to help you cruise smarter, not harder. So if even one of these tips helps you enjoy your cruise more, then this video is totally worth it. Please consider subscribing to my brand new channel for more cruising tips and tricks. Thanks a lot.